Now this case, ascendant or first house. Which is the first house? First house is Pisces. Now where is moon present? So moon sign is Leo. 10th house sign, that is Sagittarius. Very good. Then yes, Sun and Mercury present in 11th house sign is Capricorn. Now Venus, where is Venus present? Sign is Aquarius. Rahu, where is Krishna? Where is Rahu present? Gemini, which house? Fourth house. Excellent. Now we have to find out the first is ascendant is Pisces, right? So Lord of Pisces, it is Jupiter. Lord of Pisces is Jupiter. Lord of Pisces and Sagittarius is Jupiter. Jupiter is present in the 10th house in his own house. So if you are present in your own house, will you be strong? You will be comfortable in your own house. So Jupiter is strong. So Jupiter's degree is 15 degree and Ketu's degree is 14 degree. So very close. So Ketu is a shadow. So shadow is cast on Jupiter. Right?
Right.
So now, so what does this Ketu means? Ketu, I have told you, introspection. So looking inside you.
Guilt.
It can also be guilt. It can be autoimmunity. It can be a researcher also. And we have got Saturn also present there. So Saturn also indicates slowness. It indicates grief, but Saturn basically is karmavadi. Karmavadi means workaholic. So we can say that this person could be a hardworking person who does a lot of introspection. Could be pious, could be religious in nature. So this is what I am able to analyze from the ascendant.
But his moon sign is Leo, so वो anger और वो सब है.
anger होगा, dominating होगा वो. We can say, we can compare him to a principal or a teacher. Or 6th house, what I said to you, 6th house is the house of disease basically. So moon is weak in 6th house, but any planet when it goes into 6th house becomes weak. 6th house is house of disease, except Rahu. 6, 8, 12, any planet when it goes in this house, if the signs are not favoring, then the planet becomes weak. 6th house means what? You are forced to do things against your will. So there is somewhere out there, he's been forced to do things. So because moon is at 29 degree, it will show some characteristics of Virgo also, because it is going towards Virgo, and moon being a fast planet, in 2-3 hours it was going to go in Virgo. Then we have Sun and Mercury in 11th house. So Mercury out here is combusted. So that means what? He is a Jupiter dominant person whose Mercury is weak, means his logic is weak. So he could be a professor only who is not earning, or who is a routinist. So this chart can be compared to a person who does not have much business sense, because Mercury is combust, and he's not money minded. And who is Jupiter dominant. So this much we can come to conclusion in this. See, Surya sun is at 0 degree, na?
Yeah. And Mercury is combusted. This I understood.
No. Mercury is ahead of sun.
Yeah.
And Saturn is behind sun.
Okay.
But the degree wise, it is quite close, na? So 29, 30, then 1, then 0. Okay. 29, 30, 0. Got it?
Okay.
So even though sun is in next house, what she was talking about, cusp, na? So sun will show characteristic of Sagittarius as well as Capricorn. because it is at a 0 degree. Got it? Sun
Yeah.
is at the border. So that is why Sun has just crossed Saturn. That is why Saturn is also combusted. And Mercury is also combusted. What rubrics will take in this case? Diligent, yes. Hardworking, yes. Mercury combusted means confusion. It does not cause lack of courage. Mercury has nothing to do with courage. It is related to understanding or concentration. Suppressed anger or emotion. Moon in 6th house, yes, we can consider that. Routinist also we can take in his case. So for a child, then what physical problems he is having? He is having VSD,
Mitral regurgitation.
mitral regurgitation. So his Lagna Lord is with Ketu and Saturn. So that can cause, and Moon Rashi is Leo. So that can cause, okay, ventricular septal defect. And Nakshatra, like I told you, is Uttar Falguni. Surya Nakshatra is born. Sun is related to heart. And Moon is in 6th house. So the diseases can be related to heart. Right. Okay. So the medicine, what it could be? Because we need a diligent remedy which has got a trapped feeling, like I told you, obstructed or being looked down upon. Is what is the basic feeling of Naja? I am tolerating, but I will not tolerate further. Moon in 6th house is that you are working under somebody. Moon in 6th house signifies it's a Siha Rashi and you have been suppressed. Means you, even though he is a Leo, he has to take orders from somebody else. So Naja, King Cobra, and he has to take order from somebody else. Ascendant degree kya?
11.
11, na? Okay. So it is close to Rahu and Ketu, 14 degree. 11 degree, any other planet close to 11 degree? See, Saturn is 28, Moon is 29. Moon is 29. Again, this confirms Naja. So Manish, what have you given to her? Manish has given Naja only. Naja 0/1. Everybody had come to Naja conclusion. So from this we can be very sure it is very rare for that all homeopaths come to a single remedy. So everybody, and Manish was not there in the participant of the lecture, but then we were able to come to some conclusions. Now, once we have the physical problems into the case, then it becomes very easy. So that is why I say the history taking is very important. Then you compare the chart and you get a remedy. The Moon is 29 degree and Saturn is 28 degree. Like I had told you, any planet which is very close to ascendant, ascendant means the first house, that is 11 degree or to Moon, we will have a very strong influence on him. That means what? Desire for tranquility, depressed feeling, wants to be alone. And Siha Rashi, it is basically Leo. So his ego will be hurt. Please go through the blogs which we have sent to you already so that it would be easier for you to understand. Thank you. Thanks all.